My name is Rahul and welcome to my channel Rahul QA Labs. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning about the Jira boards, how to create a Jira board, how to manage a Jira board. So what is a board? So in general definition, boards helps us to regularize the process and work easily with the issues and see the progress. So in order to manage your project, we create boards in Jira. Okay, so these boards are created as per the requirement, or we can use the already created board. Now, Jira Agile has two kinds of board. Number one, we have the Scrum board. Second one is the Kanban board. So let us see each one of them. So Scrum board mainly focuses on planning, committing, and delivering the time-boxed chunks of work called sprints. Okay, and it has a backlog screen. So normally Scrum boards we will be using when we have a defined timeline and we need to deliver a certain amount of functionality in a stipulated amount of time, like 2 weeks or 1 week, depending on the sprint duration. So that is what Scrum board is used for. Now coming to another one, we have the Kanban board. So Kanban focuses on visualizing your workflow and limiting work in progress to facilitate the incremental improvements to your existing process. So normally Kanban we will use when we don't have any time-bound functionality to be delivered as compared to Scrum. So in Scrum we'll be having sprints, but in Kanban it will be a list of issues and we will just be visualizing and you know facilitating the incremental improvements. So as and when the issue or the stories are completed, they will be deployed and then we will proceed with the next set of issues. So we don't have any defined timeline kind of thing in Kanban board. Okay, and yes, so we don't have any backlog screen present in Kanban board, and such boards can contain one or more projects as well. Okay, so let us go to our Jira and see how we can create each of these boards. So we'll understand more while creating. Okay, so let us go to Jira. Okay, so this is the dashboard, and for creating a board you have to click on here and see this create board link is there. Click on the create board. Now previously we have two kinds of boards, Scrum board and a Kanban board. So let us first create a Scrum board and see how it goes. For creating a Scrum board, click on create a Scrum board. Okay, now it is asking for options like board created with new software project. You want to create a new board, or you want to create a board from an existing project, or you want to create a board from an existing saved filter. So these are the three options presented to you. So as of now, we will be creating a new board with new software project. Click on next. Okay, so it is asking you a project name. So we will give some project name as demo project 3, and this is the key. So key is nothing but the prefix that will be added in front of the issues that you will be raising. So that is up to you. This has already generated like DEM, and this is the project lead, like the person who is creating the board. So as of now, like I created the board, so my name is there. So if some other person is creating, his or her name will be there. Okay, so just we'll click on create board. Perfect. So see, we have a success message out here, and it says that you have created a Scrum board DEMP, like DEMP board with the project name as Demo Project 3. Okay, so this is a Scrum board, and as you can see in the backlog, we don't have any issues as of now. So we can create issues and we can assign to the sprints, and we can create the sprints as well. Okay, so this is how we create a Scrum board. Similarly, let us try to create a Kanban board as well. Here, go here, again create board. This time we will select the option as create a Kanban board. Ask you for the same an existing project or from an existing saved filter or with a new software project. So again, I will select it as new. So my Kanban project one. Okay, so this is the project key. Again, that is up to you, whatever name you want to give. And this is the project lead, the person who is creating the board. Okay, and we will click on create board. See, success message with you have created a Kanban board, MYK board, and a project, my Kanban project. Okay, so this is how we create boards in Jira. We created a Scrum board, we created a Kanban board. So I hope this part is clear to you all. In our later tutorials, we will go in much detail and see how to add issues into these boards. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and share and like comment your feedback on the same. So keep learning, keep enjoying, and thank you very much. We will meet in our next tutorial. Bye bye.